Generating videos using Sora is actually a very simple process. You can do it with a free OpenAI account as well, but do keep in mind that if you've got a new account, video generation is temporarily disabled. So depending on your account, your mileage may vary. But if you're on a paid account or if you have an older account, then you can go ahead and generate videos without a problem. Another thing to keep in mind is that your Sora account is kind of different from a ChatGPT account. So sure, you use the same OpenAI account across both the tools, but in case if you haven't used Sora before, you can run into problems with the video generation tool thinking that it's a new account. In any case, once you've logged into Sora, you should see the home page like this, along with this image generation bar at the bottom. Now this has a few options. The number one is video. So you can choose whether you want to generate an image or a video. Then you can choose from a bunch of different aspect ratios. So you can go 16:9, 3:2, 1:1 for square, and then 2:3 and 9:16 for vertical video. Then you've got your video quality. So I have a paying subscription to ChatGPT at the moment, so I can access 720p, but free users will be limited to 480p only. Then you've got the video duration. Of course, this will vary based on what your plan is. And then you've got how many variations you want. So you can select 4 variations, 2 variations, or just the 1 variation of whatever prompt you enter. Then there is the preset button, which you can select from a bunch of different presets. These are basically different designs that Sora will apply to your video. While doing it, you can also click on manage and then edit every single one of them individually, even create more presets, but that's for later. All right, then we have one final option called Storyboard. So what Storyboard does is that it lets you generate multiple videos with every video getting its individual prompt. So for example, I can type red car racing through the mountains. So that's my first video. And then I can go ahead and add a second slide, and I can call this scene the red car suddenly turns blue. So now when I click on create right here, this is going to generate an entire storyboard with 2 different scenes that work with 2 different prompts. Once again, this is a bit of a advanced thing to do, so you can go ahead and skip it right away. But if you want to just quickly generate a video, you can also click this plus button to upload an image or video that you want to model. But if you quickly want to generate a video, just simply come down here, click on describe your video, and type in your prompt. So let's type in the same prompt again. So alright, sports car is racing through the mountains and changes its color. Go ahead and press enter. And now your video generation will be added to the queue, which you can click this button to check. Now this is going to take a little bit of time depending on what quality and how many variations you've selected and so on and so forth. So we're just going to sit here and wait until this gets done. Alright, so as you can see, our video has now been generated, and if I go ahead and click on it, this is what we get. So this is the generated video that Sora made for us. Now this isn't quite right because the rear of the car looks like the front of the car. It doesn't change its color, and it kind of looks very artificially generated. But that's the thing, you can add in a more detailed prompt. Go ahead and edit your prompt right away and click another generation if you want. You can view the storyboards if you want to go ahead and turn this into a storyboard. That's available. You can trim and extend the video, remix it with new videos, blend it, and then of course we can just create a seamless loop which makes an AI generated video look like it's going on forever and ever. So for example, when you click anything, it will be added to the queue again. So you'll have to go ahead and process that. And then that's that. And that's how easily you can generate videos using Sora. If you like this video, consider subscribing, give us a thumbs up, press the bell icon, and tell us in the comments below what more such videos can we make for you. If you'd like to know more about tech, visit our website, Candid.Technology. Follow us on social media, follow me on Instagram or Twitter. And if these videos don't help you out as much, do consider getting a membership. And we'll see you in the next video.